world as a mirror, reflections of consciousness, awareness, and perception. The concept that the world is only a reflection of you is a profound philosophical idea that delves into the interconnectedness between the individual and their external reality. It suggests that the world we perceive is not merely an objective existence, but rather a manifestation of our internal state of consciousness, awareness, and perception. This essay explores this notion, examining how our inner landscape shapes the external reality we experience. The world as a reflection of consciousness. At the heart of the idea lies the belief that our consciousness plays a pivotal role in shaping the world around us. According to this perspective, the external reality we encounter is a mirror reflecting our innermost thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. Just as a mirror faithfully reflects our physical appearance, the world reflects our level of consciousness. For instance, individuals harboring negativity may perceive a world filled with strife and conflict, while those embracing positivity may see beauty and opportunity in every situation. This suggests that our consciousness acts as a filter through which we interpret and interact with the world. Awareness and perception. Moreover, awareness and perception serve as lenses through which we view reality, influencing our understanding and experience of the world. Those with heightened awareness tend to perceive deeper truths and subtle nuances that escape the notice of others. Similarly, perception molds our reality, as individuals with different perspectives may interpret the same events in radically different ways. Thus, the world we inhabit is not fixed, but rather fluid, shaped by the unique interplay of our awareness and perception. The role of beliefs and conditioning. Our beliefs and conditioning further color our perception of reality, shaping the lens through which we interpret the world. From a young age, we are imbued with cultural, societal, and familial beliefs that inform our worldview. These ingrained beliefs act as filters, influencing the information we absorb and the conclusions we draw. Consequently, individuals operating from different belief systems may inhabit vastly different worlds, each shaped by their respective ideologies. The power of intention and manifestation. Central to the concept of the world as a reflection of the self is the idea of intention and manifestation. Advocates of this philosophy posit that our thoughts and intentions have the power to shape our reality, as we attract experiences and circumstances that resonate with our inner state. By aligning our thoughts, beliefs, and actions with our desired outcomes, we can effectively manifest our reality. This principle underscores the importance of cultivating positive thoughts and intentions, as they lay the groundwork for a harmonious and fulfilling existence. The notion that the world is only a reflection of you offers a compelling perspective on the nature of reality. It highlights the interconnectedness between the individual and their external environment, suggesting that our consciousness, awareness, and perception shape the world we inhabit. By recognizing the power of our thoughts, beliefs, and intentions, we can consciously co-create our reality, fostering a world that aligns with our highest aspirations. Ultimately, this philosophy invites us to embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation, as we strive to embody the change we wish to see in the world.